a spike catching strategy, and I'm gonna be giving you an explanation in details on how you can follow and go about it. So yesterday I dropped a video on how you can take about 5 to 10 candlesticks or ticks rather on your boom and crash. So in this video I'm gonna be dropping a strategy for your spike. So if you want to catch some spikes, you're at the right place. Now this is a spike detector, and mind you, no strategy is 100%, no matter what you might have had out there or anywhere, even on this channel. No strategy is 100%. So now I'm gonna be giving you in details the indicators I'm using here, how I go around my trade, how I analyze, how I place my trade, how everything should be done. Because as a trader, we need to know some certain things when trading, because trading it's not a one-day thing. It's not something you learn in a day. It's not something you become perfect in a day. I'm still learning, you're still learning, we're all still learning. Even the gurus out there, we are definitely all still learning. So I'm going to be giving you in details on how you can follow and go about the whole process. Now, for my new subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you very much, and keep subscribing and sharing this video. Giving this video a thumbs up so I can hit lots of people as well, so they can earn money as well. So this is a free channel. You don't pay for anything. You can actually do a donation on this channel by clicking the join button there and make a donation. I'm not asking anybody to make a donation, but if you have been gaining something from this channel and you really want to give out some donation, click on the join button there and make your payment. So it's just a suggestion, guys. Now this strategy works really nice, and I'm gonna be telling you the truth about any strategy you're gonna be seeing out there. Now the derivative algorithm changes with time. If you have been watching my channel, I've been saying that a lot. It changes with time. Could change in the next 12 hours, 24 hours, or even a week. So it all depends on your ability to work with the algorithm, the ability to change with the algorithm. Now, when a strategy works for you, probably within a day or 2 days, and then you start noticing some errors, it means the algorithm has been tweaked and it has changed. Mind you, they change the algorithm so you do not make money. No broker wants you to make money. So if you're here and you think it's 100% that you're going to be making money, no. And mind you, you need to be able to backtest your strategy. You need to be able to understand your strategy first. Any strategy I give you here, backtest it, guys, backtest it. It doesn't matter if it works for me or somebody out there, backtest the strategy. Now, for those of you who are out there who might want to give up on trading, do not give up, guys. Do not give up, because you are not there yet. You need to be able to give it some time and patience and consistency. Everything you do, you need to be consistent about it. You have been trading for 2 years, nothing yet. Chill and follow instructions. Now, one thing with people as well is they tend to follow different mentors. You cannot be mentored by 10 people, 5 people, 3 people, 2 people at once. You cannot. Choose a mentor and follow the mentor. If it means paying for mentorship, you pay for mentorship. Learn how that person makes his money and do it. If you want to pay for my mentorship, fine. If you want to pay for somebody out there else's mentorship, you go find the person and pay. Don't think you can definitely do it on your own. You will definitely do it on your own, but it's going to take you time and lots of losses. Most people, they don't want to pay to learn. They just want to learn, because we out there, we have paid the price for learning, because we have made a lot of losses. So now we're here to help you guys grow with us, to help you guys avoid those losses on the way. Can you be able to lose over $10,000 in a month? Can you afford to lose it? Most people out here cannot. So that's why we are here, to help you guys. So find somebody and make payment for that person to mentor you. If it's free, fine. But let me tell you, mind you, nothing is free. If anything is free, you are the product. If anything is free, you are the product. I'm telling you guys, they're going to sell your information and make money with it. So now let me show you indicators I'm using here, because I have to say these things. Most people might be in a rush. Just go straight to the point, go straight to the point. I'm going straight to the point, but most people out there won't be able to understand these things. Nobody's going to tell you these things. So let me just give you the indicators before I continue. So on my indicator window 1, I have my stochastic oscillator. K period is 5, D period is 5, slow in is 3, price field is low high, method simple. So the levels, I'm using my 10 and my 90 levels, 1 pixels of black. That's my first indicator right there. So my envelope, if you already have your envelope, update the settings and use it. So the period is 10, shift to 0, deviation is 0.002, method simple, apply to close. So just make sure everything looks like this. These colors, these are the default colors. So let's just leave it at that. So now our moving average, which is our 10 indicator, we have our period 1, shift 0. Method is simple, apply to typical price, type 4 pixels of black. Our last indicator, which is the last moving average, moving average 5, is our period 5, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. 4 pixels of the color green, light green. So before I continue, now, one thing with most people when trading now is greediness and impatience. If you are under the sound of my voice, if you're watching this video right now, you need to be patient. You know deep down that you're not patient. You know you are not patient. You need to be able to wait for entries, guys. Wait for entries. Do not just jump into any trade because it looks like. Guys, just follow simple instructions. Don't wait for looks like. Wait for a complete entry. When I tell you it has to touch the 90 level, it has to touch the 90 level. Don't say it's close to the 90 level. Let me just go in. Guys, be warned. And now, another thing is most people, they don't concentrate. You need to be able to take out your time. How the hell do you want to make $100 in a day when you cannot take out at least 3 to 6 hours a day trading and analyzing the market? How the hell do you want to do that? You want to come in the next 5 minutes, you want to go with $100, $1,000. How does it work? This is not a mining company or where you just dig out money. You need to be able to understand, analyze, and then go in on your trade. Most people, they don't know how to exit. They don't know when to close the trade and how to exit the market, for example. Now let's say we got an entry here, and then maybe you came in late and you came in somewhere here. You're seeing me, I'm pointing here. Now most people want to take 10 candlesticks. Guys, be warned. I'm just giving you an example for my previous strategies. This is not a spike. This is not a spike example, rather just a tick example. So they want to take 20 ticks and they end up making errors. And you hit this spike. With a $10 account, this might blow you out if you go in here or here, depending on the lot size you use. And most people, when the market finally comes down to this level, they won't exit because it might spike here now, any moment, it might spike here. And you still go back and loss again. You need to be able to use your head. Follow the instructions in every video you watch. It doesn't matter if it's my video or someone else's video. The person knows what he's saying and you need to follow the person. So now how I get my entries on this strategy is a really simple one. If you watch here, we need to wait for these 4 lines. This is a blue and red, blue and red line. So you need to wait for them and this green and black to touch the 10 level on the boom before you go in for your trade. Once it touches it, you go in for your buy position. And boom, you're in some serious profits. So if you're seeing here, let's go to the 5-minute time frame. That spike started, I think it started somewhere around here or here. And you're taking it all the way up here. So that's a lot of candlesticks for you to go, or rather a lot of spikes. Now another thing is you need to know the time frames you should use to analyze. Now you're analyzing with multiple time frames, guys. If you watch here, is on the lower level now. This should be giving you an indication that yeah, spikes should be coming in. It doesn't matter if you entered here or if you entered here or if you entered here. You need to be able to have patience, because most people might enter here and the spike does not go up much. They close the trade with loss. You wait as long as it does not exit this level, as long as it does not exceed this level, sorry, do not close the trade until you are satisfied. Now we need to go to the 1 hour time frame again to watch um the trend of the market. Now if you're watching here, we should be seeing that okay, this market has overbought. This is the overbought level. This market shouldn't go up again, it should be going down. Then you want to be taking ticks with my other strategies. Now if you want to be taking spikes, you want to wait till at least when it's around this level, then you go in and take your spikes, or when it's around this level, because we're seeing here this is a strong support level for the 1 hour time frame. The higher the time frame, the more accurate the entries are. So once you're seeing it, okay, it's at this level, you're checking the candlestick pattern is making. This candlestick pattern here, inverted dragonfly, should give you, okay, yes, the market should go upwards. That's how it works, and that's how it should work. Don't just see the market and just jump in because the indicator is giving you a sell position or a buy position. So this spike strategy, I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to say. Here's how the entry works, because most people will still say you didn't explain the entry. This is where the entry works when it touches the 10 level. Now for your crash, let's go back to the crash 1000. Our entries should be this level here, our 90 level, which is here. This is our 90 level. You're seeing where I'm pointing right here. This is our 90 level. So I like using this to explain so you follow my hand and know wherever I'm going. So this is our 90 level here. Once you hit this level, we go in for our sell. You take as many as possible and you're happy. If we go over to the 1 hour time frame, we will see that before those spikes started coming in, yeah, that was where those spikes started coming in around here. It has overbought. If you're watching here, it's at the 90 level as well. So that's when you should go in for a spike and take all those spikes down. Really simple. Follow the instructions in any video you watch. Most people did not watch this video till the complete 12 minutes of this video, and they want to make $100, $1,000. They want to make it trading. Guys, that's not how it works. You need to be able to listen. You need to be able to listen and understand. So, backtest this strategy. Make sure you backtest it. Give me feedback on this strategy in the comment section. I really appreciate that. And if you're making money with any of my strategies, kindly leave it in the comment section, so to encourage other people as well who might be losing hope or faith in trading, so they can continue. So love you, and see you guys again tomorrow with another video.